Do you guys want to hear something crazy? Okay, apparently China doesn't have TikTok. They have something called Douyin, which is so confusing because I felt like TikTok was a Chinese brand company. Yay or nay? Am I the one that's confused? This Douyin makeup style has been so viral because it is this like Korean goth blend that makes you look kind of like cute and soft and pretty. We're gonna try it. Like, I'm trying this for the first time. And it's actually interesting because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. You guys will know because you all have seen the thumbnail. But let's hope this is a success. I have done a lot of research on what it takes to make a Douyin makeup look, so we're gonna try it right now. Douyin Makeup has soft, natural skin, so I'm gonna start by prepping my skin with MAC Prep and Prime. Let's start with the eyes because that is the most important part of this entire look. Yeah. I'm gonna prime them with this concealer. If you haven't already tried this concealer, I urge you to try it immediately. This is the Dior Backstage Flash Perfecting Concealer. So much coverage, not cakey at all, and it's waterproof. You guys need this. I'm gonna try to link everything in my bio. This might be a little light for me. And the thing about this product is you got to really work fast because it dries so quickly. And once it's on, it does not spread. I'm happy to report I just got 8 hours of sleep. And sometimes when it does crease a little bit in your creases, you know what I'm saying? Do you guys see that? So just be careful of that. Not me just going off about how this is the most amazing concealer and then me tearing it to shreds. I really like it. Nothing's perfect. It has a few faults, but it is so natural and so delicious after it settles into the skin. I love it. So there's that. Okay, now that it took us 50 million years to put our base layer on, let's get onto the eyeshadow. I am so excited for this palette that I just ordered from Sephora. Ooh, ah, everything about this is stunning. Look at this carton. It's like this pastel gradient. This is called the Pastel palette, and it is mostly blues. Oh my days. This is my first time unboxing it, and I'm just loving everything about it. This rounded corners, this kind of like, what is this, 80s? It's like kind of like typography from the 80s, you know? Oh, that makes sense because pastels were huge in the 80s. Ooh, I'm about to have some fun. Guys, we are gonna fucking destroy this palette. I mean, not literally destroy it, but we're gonna. Okay, so one of the most characteristic things about Douyin Makeup is that they give themselves little bags under their eye to make it look a little bit more puffy and swollen and sweet and cute. So I'm gonna try this with you guys for the first time. We're gonna take our brow pencil because it is so fine. It has like such a fine tip, and I want this line to be quite defined. And then we're gonna buff it out with a pencil brush. I'm just following the natural bag of my eye. Actually really like that. I think that's really cute, you know? Do you see it? Can you guys see the vision? Look, cute. I'm blending it. Siri, you scared me. Dare I say this might be my new go-to technique because I haven't done much with it already, but look how cute already that is. Okay, I don't even have to do much blending with that. So guys, as it turns out, that turned out to be a pretty good technique. All you have to do is take your little micro brow pencil and follow your natural bag line. Cute, 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 cute. So we're off to a good start. Having put the concealer down is really helping lay that product down and blend it out. So definitely make sure that you're putting concealer down before you do anything, or even a primer. Like if you have like Urban Decay, or if you have the P. Louise base, any of those will work fine. I just decided to use my Dior. And having a pencil brush, look how tiny that tip is really helping make that buffed line like a little bit more precise, whereas if I used a bigger brush like this, it would just kind of sweep away and not have a concentrated line, which is not the look we're going for. We do want it to look like an actual bag. What kind of bag? I don't know. Maybe it's a Coach. Maybe it's a duffel bag because we're going places. Look how cute. My little bags. Another thing that's popular for this look is white inner, what? Another thing that's popular for this look is white. I got this. Another thing that's popular for this look is a white tight line, like right here, and make it white to like open the eye up. I'm using the Rimmel Scandalize Waterproof Kohl Kajal. I'll link that in the bio too, if I can find it online, that is. So that's tickly as heck. I haven't done my tight line since probably like 2018. No, 2018 is generous. Okay, now for the fun part. So many colors to choose from. I think I'm gonna do this. No, should we do the pink? Let's do the pink. We're gonna do this tool. We're gonna do this pink color on the lower lash line. Really follow the tear duct and then dip all the way down to make it look like I have a bigger eye than I actually do. I am just following a reference photo. Boop, doop, boop, boop. Not promising that my look is gonna turn out as good as this one. I was almost hesitant to show you that reference photo because I was like, now I'm held to a standard, but I think you guys get the drift. This is just inspo, just inspo. We're just gonna leave like an inch and pretend like this is still. Let's just do it. Wow, looking at this reference photo, it's like you look at the reference photo and you're like, yeah, that's easy, I can do that. And then after you're like, okay, remember that thing that I said about tight lining your eyes and making sure that the white doesn't go anywhere but the tight line? I lied to you, actually. We are going to make the white down here to extend it. Now we're gonna take that pink and go underneath that white line that we just made. Super cute if I do say so myself. Okay, let's take a short break from the eyes and put on our foundation. I am obsessed with this foundation. I wanna do an entire review on this. If you're curious about the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation, then look out for that video. This is kind of like a mid glowy foundation, so I feel like this would be good for this look. I know the trend with this style of makeup is to go just a little bit lighter than your face, and as it turns out, I got a little bit tanned over the weekend, so this is a little bit lighter than my natural skin, so it's perfect, worked out. But look at how smooth that is. It's perfect. I'm really excited to do my blush because I just got this Kaja cheek stamp. This is nothing new, but it's kind of new to me because I've not really played with it that much yet. But look at this. It comes in like a little stack, okay? You twist it, you get like the little stamper. It's a heart. How cute is that? But I thought this product would be really good because usually the trend is to have like a really kind of like concentrated blush and it flush out a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna try that with this. Placement is important. It has to kind of be like on the apple of the cheek, and like they do it pretty high up, so maybe like around here, like that. Aw, cute. Okay, back to the eyes. We're gonna do a really cute inner corner that's like very sparkly. First, we're gonna lay down some white. So this is actually quite sparkly anyways, and this is called Illusion from the palette. It's this beautiful white cream frosty shade with blue-red reflex. And actually, I think I've decided to actually bring it and drag it all the way up. I'm feeling like I need a little bit more brightness, so I'm gonna take this Rare Beauty Enlighten Liquid Luminizer and just pop that down as a base. Yeah, I think this will be good. Yeah, that's exactly what I wanted. I can do that to the other side. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Now, what do I wanna do? Now's the glitter part. I don't really know what I'm gonna use. I think, what if we tried this one here? This blue. That would be crazy. I'm super down. I'm really just like brushing the top because I feel like it might be a spray over. Like I don't think this color's through and through. Oh no, it is. Never mind. Anyways, I don't want the blue color. I really just want the sparkles. So I'm going to just try to take my brush. Dog barking. I just want the sparkle of it. So I'm gonna take my brush and go over it super lightly just to get the sparkle. I don't necessarily want like it to be super intense blue. And I'm gonna do this in my crease. I mean, I kind of look like a clown. That's not exactly the look we were going for, but. Okay, so now I am just taking a pink eyeshadow and I'm lining my lids with it. You see that? See how I'm making like a little flick? And on the bottom, I'm doing that too. And also, guys, I'm talking to you because my boyfriend started making a ruckus. So I was like, okay, let me just do a voiceover. And I'm doing a dance. I'm doing a dance with an eyelash curler, little castanets. Let's go, go off. Let's go, go, go. And basically I curled my lashes. Now I am adding Max Stack mascara. If you guys have not gotten this, I urge you. I'm like using it to the point where it needs to be thrown out because it's about to give me pink eye. It's like that level where I'm like attached. I'm also going to be doing my bottom lashes because the Douyin look has a very cute puppy dog eye type vibe. Now, in the reference photo, they painted on lashes, but instead of that, I just did my little take on it and I did 3 little dots on the outer corner. It's just, I didn't want to really fake it where I was like painting on lashes, but I wanted it to kind of give the same effect. So this is kind of like, I'm not trying to make it look natural, but I still want to make it look like droopy eyes and cute and puppy dog eyes. So see how it kind of gives you that like droopy eyed effect. Now I'm going to turn my whole face to the side because I don't apparently know where the camera is after doing this for years. So yeah, I'm taking a white liner, the one that we use in the tight line, and I'm basically making like a little design, a line that goes from the center of my lid to the outside. It's not quite a winged liner, but it's supposed to give an effect where it's like I didn't put eyeshadow here, if that makes any sense. It like carves it out. So now I'm doing lip liner and I'm basically making like a little cup shape. I'm not going to the end of my lips because I want it to look very pouty and very doll-like, but I am doing like a little cup shape and stopping that line in the center of my lips. See how I kind of like bring it down and see how it kind of looks very dolly and pouty in the center? Very cute. By the way, guys, I love this lip liner. It's so good. You need it. Okay, I'm going to take Popsicle, and this is the Fenty kind of like lip stain that just dropped. Very popular. Oh, wait a second. Me not knowing how to use it and having to Google it. Anyway, so very popular within the Asian community of having this like popsicle lip blur effect. And I feel like, I don't know, I'm obsessed with this. It just turned out so good. And I wanted to make more of a contrast, so I added white liner on the outside. Okay, I have no idea why I didn't give myself enough time to talk, but basically I'm adding highlighter. And I just cut this video so quick and I'm just didn't give myself enough time to talk. I added highlighter. It's the new Rare Beauty highlighter in the powder form, which is freaking really nice. Doing my brows straight as I normally do. That's just how I like it. And this is the look. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? This is the look. Oh, and look at that lip, by the way. I think it turned out real good. Real good. Okay, so here is the final look. Okay, I don't really know how I feel. I kind of feel like a clown because I don't usually wear this much makeup. And I have like the blue eyelids, the pink lips, the pink cheeks. It just all looks too much. I think I'm kind of just like need to focus on my technique because I haven't nailed it down yet. But if you kind of look at it at certain angles, like, cute. You know, but then you get into like certain angles and you're just like, that's not cute. Too much makeup, you know? But you know, it's the trick of the trade here with the video cameras and the angles and the lighting, and you know what it is. I'm just trying to keep it real. This wasn't my favorite look that I've done in my entire life, but I really liked the Popsicle. I loved the cheek blush just right here. I'm just like not loving the eyeshadow, you know? And the eyebrows are just a little, I don't know. What do you guys think? Anyways, so that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me do this technique. If I were to do it all over again, I'd probably just do the under eye bags, the Popsicle, some eyelashes, and a little bit of brow and call it a day. I kind of like the idea of mixing the Douyin makeup look with a TikTok makeup look, you know what I mean? Kind of Asian, kind of American, and have like an Asian American fusion blend. I basically should open a restaurant. And that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Michelle Bally. I am the makeup tester. All the makeup that I've tested in this video today is in the description box. If you liked anything that I used, you can pick it up. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.